Bonjour les amis, je m'appelle Day du site Eu Amo Tricot. Aujourd'hui, nous allons faire connaissance avec le fil bouclé. Hi friends, how are you? I'm the Day of the site, I love knitting, and today we have already started with this French atmosphere because we are going to talk about the term boucle, which comes from French and means rolled or curly, a perfect description for the appearance of this thread that has small loops in its structure. This little curve, this very cute little shape, this different texture of life, pieces with a soft touch and a more voluminous look, which makes boucle a popular choice both in fashion and in crochet and knitting crafts. This thread can be used in the two techniques, the boucle thread. It was widely adopted in the fashion industry in the 1950s and 1960s, being popularized by designers such as Coco Chanel. Recently, boucle has been seen in cozy and elegant fashion pieces such as coats, overalls, sweaters, blankets, and in knitting. The yarn is perfect for creating clothes and accessories that combine style and comfort, such as chale jackets, very voluminous, which are a trend in the colder months. Its texture also stands out in decorative pieces, like pillows, blankets, and brings that more rustic, sophisticated look to the environment where you put it. One of the strengths of this skein that I really wanted to talk to you about is the Saut de Algodão label, which is part of a movement that was born in 2016 with the aim of stimulating responsible fashion, encompassing from the man who works in the field to the final consumer. It is a program led by the Brazilian Association of Cotton Producers in partnership with 10 state associations of the Brazilian Cotton Institute, WIBA, including, did you know that Brazil is the largest supplier of responsible cotton in the world? More than 90% of plantations rely solely on rainwater. In addition to being a great option for health, Brazilian fiber generates jobs and drives the economy. And speaking of economy, we are talking about a ball that you only find on the Bazar Horizonte website, where the sale of this thread is made and you can receive it at your home with the comfort and security of the Bazar Horizonte website. Even we have a discount coupon blog by Day, and I will leave the link in the description. This is a 100G ball with 108 made size 922 takes. You can have this material on crochet needles of 3.5 mm to 5 mm and knitting needles of 5 to 6 mm. Here in the video, I used the 6 mm needles. It is an easy yarn to knit that you should avoid only friction because it is made of cotton, very noble material. You then just need to make sure that your design will not get in friction with other textures, other surfaces, because otherwise the cotton tends to form balls. But for those who are going down to make trousers or pieces for home, a 100% cotton material ensures you don't have to worry about chemical allergies. Therefore, you can use both in crochet and knitting. You can play dyeing with this material. You can use it for accessories and for clothing. It's really cool because you have a wire that allows heat exchange so your skin breathes. If you live in hot regions of Brazil, this is it. It really has our face. I'm going to upload a project here for our channel. He already comments. What piece would you like to see over here? Made in knitting. And if you have seen this yarn around or have knitted with it, leave here below in the comments your opinion about this material. What did you think? How was it going down with him? Have you really felt all that lightness that cotton is good for? I'll stay here, but we'll see you in the next video. A gigantic hug, and until then.